Now to question 13, which reads, which of the following is not a component of a story? We need to underline the word not. Now, components of a story. Components of a story. The first component of a story are the characters. When we talk about characters, these are simply people or animals that are part of a story. People or animals that are part of a story. 2, there is setting. Setting is simply the time and place in which the story unfolds. The setting is simply the time and place in which the story unfolds. 3, there is plot. Plot is the order or the sequence of events in a story. The sequence of events in a story. Then 4, there is theme. And theme is the main idea or the main message which the story tries to communicate. And 5, we shall talk about conflict. And conflict is the problem or the challenges that is faced by the characters. The conflict is simply the challenges or the problem that is faced by characters. Now, when we get back to our question, we have not talked about backdrop as part of a story. We have talked about a plot, setting, and theme. So in the options that we are given here, the one that is not a component of a story is a backdrop. To question 14. Mzee Mulwa was invited to tell a story to grade 7 learners. His story had the following: a sad song, a clear plot, a happy ending, a funny character. Which of the characteristics is a quality of a good story? So our main aim here is on a quality of a good story. So, qualities of a good story. 1, it should have compelling characters. And when we talk about compelling characters, these are characters who are believable. 2, it should have a clear plot. Remember, we said a plot is a sequence of events, so the sequence of events in the story should be clear. Then 3, interesting theme. Should have an interesting theme, a theme that is catchy and will keep the reader interested. Then 4, effective pacing. The order in which the events happen and the narration of the story should be at the correct pace to ensure your audience is engaged enough. Then 5, there should be an impactful resolution. And when we talk about the resolution, now these are the solution to the problems that were being faced by the characters. So when we come back to the options we are given here, we have not talked about a sad song being a quality of a good story. We have talked about a clear plot. We have not talked about a happy ending. The ending can either be happy or sad. So we have also not talked of a funny character. We have talked of compelling characters. So a clear plot would be the best answer, which is 2, and that would be option D. And question 15, which asks, a persona in a verse is. So when we talk about persona, this is about the voice speaking in the verse. So, and this one can only be by the character in the what? In the verse. So when we come to the choices, we have the character in the verse, which is okay. The performer, no. The performer, the person performing the verse must not be the person speaking in the verse. Then the setting, no. The writer of the verse, no. So the best answer here will be option A.